Okay, good morning, everybody. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Share Knowledge. Okay, today I'd like to share with you how to auto-translate in Google Chrome. When you open a browser like this, and then when you open a website on a browser, Google Chrome like this, and then you don't understand the language written in the website like this one. So you don't need to copy one sentence or one page and then you copy and paste on Google Translate. You don't need to do that. You can auto translate all the text in this website. Okay, but before, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, and share it to your friends. Okay, how do I to auto translate? I open three websites here. This one I don't understand the language. Okay, like this one. So you can auto translate all the text here. Okay, and how to do that? Okay, go to setting. Okay, here in the corner, up right in the corner, you click and then click settings here. Okay, then you scroll down until advanced. Then you click like this. Then language here. Okay, language, basic spell check, and then use spell check for English and etc. And then you click this one to auto translate. You click this one. Okay, uh, read this one, English United States. This language is used when translating page. Okay, because I understand English and Bahasa Indonesia, so I can use English or Indonesia. It's up to you which language you understand. Okay, and then to auto translate this one, offer to translate pages that aren't in a language you read. Okay, so you click this one, turn on, click. Okay, this one turn on. Okay, try. Okay, refresh. Okay, then the language Japanese or English. Okay, we click English. Okay, now the language become English. So I understand the language now. Okay, and also this one. What language is it? Okay, try refresh. And then, sorry, my internet connection is slow. Okay, it is Swedish because I don't understand Swedish, so I need to change into English. Click English, and then it will become English. Oh, sorry, try again. Yeah, okay. So now all text here in English. So I understand now. Economy, culture, sports, leader, editor. Okay, okay, I understand now. Okay, like that. That's easy. Okay, so you just click this one, and then settings, and then advanced, and then language. Okay, I think that's all, everybody. Okay, don't forget to subscribe my channel, and then share this video to your friends. Okay, thank you. Goodbye.